Welcome to our relaxation exercise. Take a deep breath, and when you're comfortable, begin to close your eyes. Slowly drown out the busy noise surrounding you and imagine yourself in a calm and peaceful place. With every breath you take, imagine yourself becoming more calm, peaceful, and focused. You're now in a secluded island surrounded only by nature. There are no worries, no stress. Shall we take a walk towards a beautiful waterfall? Take deep breaths in. Enjoy the fresh air of this beautiful forest. Let your unconscious mind travel. There she is, in all her glory, the beautiful waterfall. Feel the mist against your skin. Perhaps at this point you're already feeling calmer. Think of a simple way to incorporate this feeling of peace into your life in the days and weeks ahead. I invite you now to take a breath for a moment and begin to move your attention back to the room, listening to the sounds around you and beginning to open your eyes.